Hello you, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. We're doing hair today. And yes, my hair is halfway done. Only because we've seen me do this small half cornrows in front so many times. But I'm gonna link one of the videos below that I actually do a tutorial of it so I don't have to do it again. I'm conscious of not boring you, you know? So I've done the front. Let's move on to the rest of the hair. Okay, so before I start doing the back, I just wanted to oil my scalp real quick. I am using, is it an oil or a serum actually? So I like this Kiss Colors and Care scalp fixer, and I usually use it once I have done a protective style, especially around my edges, because it actually helps relieve tension. If you've used it before, you can tell how cool it is. It feels so cool on my scalp. I love that feeling too. So yeah, I just leave that to just dry into my scalp because it just absorbs into my scalp. So love it. Okay, I put that away again. The back of my hair has no product whatsoever. It's clean, fresh, washed, no product. Once out. I usually don't like leaving my hair without any product because it just feels so dry, but I knew that I had to because I wanted to do a... Oh wait, did I tell you what I wanted to do? A twist out. Yet another attempt at a twist out. But this time around, I actually feel like I have gotten the trick. So apparently the trick to getting good twist out is to just put mousse alone on your hair. Oh, look at my little curls. Just put mousse. So yeah, let's try that. So yeah, what's in my hair now is just mousse. I've never done my hair with no other product before, so this is interesting and scary at the same time, not gonna lie, but let's see how it turns out. Hopefully we get a good twist out. If not, I think I may give up on twist outs. Maybe. And what I like to do is to just wrap, like fold my end and wrap it on itself because I don't want my ends to be exposed, and this is all I have. One very skinny twist down. Why does it look skinny? I wanted to do big twists. Why is it skinny? I feel like I've tried so many twist out methods that by now you would think I will give up because it's just not working. Maybe it's my hair. Maybe my hair is just not a twist out kind of girly. Another trick I also have heard is once you divide the hair into two to twist, that's it. Don't borrow. Don't take any hair from the other strand. Just keep twisting till the very end so that when you're actually separating the twist, they're not intertwined into each other. I heard that this helps a great deal and reduces frizz. So let's see if it works. Why am I talking in singles? Weird, Khadija, weird. You will also notice that I'm using my hands to separate the hair. This is because, well, we're only doing twist outs, right? So why do I have to make sure my lines are clean? I know, the perfectionist in me is like, the horror! But yeah, ain't nobody got time for that today. I really hope this works. I'll be so chuffed. I'll be so chuffed if it does. I had also planned to do a flat twist because I saw a couple of people did say that flat twists make your twist out come out nicer. I don't know, maybe let me know in the comment section if you've actually put like leave-in conditioner, butters, all of that oil on your hair before mousse, flat twist, detangle, and then if that actually works as a twist out, let me know, because a girl never gives up. I'll still try that method. I should give it right? Wrong. I feel like this is a big piece of the back, but let's drown it in mousse. It'll be enough. All the back is done. Let's do the front. Okay, how big do I have these? So like 4 each? Because if I have to wear headband wigs, and that's another thing, while this hairstyle is drying, because I'm gonna wear this for a few days, I'm going to wear some headband wigs with this, because we gotta love a 2-in-1 hairstyle. And besides, like, I gotta show y'all like different ways to rock this hairstyle. I also just realized that this is my theory that I'm trying to test the front end of my hair, because I was cornrowing it and all of that. I did add product, so it might end up a different texture than the rest of the hair at the back. Who knows? But we're all not gonna find out till we unravel the twist, right? So why worry over spilt milk? Is that how they say it? If I unravel this and it all ends up as one big afro, I'm still gonna rock it. Okay, all that is done. I look like a cutie patootie with my twist. Let's not even look at the back. Oh my god, what does the back look like? Let me show you. That's what we're working with. That's what I'm gonna be rocking for the next couple of days. And usually I would just like put it up like in a bun and tuck my ends in, and that's how I will rock my hair. So watch out for part 2. I'm just joking. I will continue filming this video, but after a few days, once I've rocked it for a few days and it's dried properly, because I like my hair to air dry. So I will be back in another 3 to 4 days, but in YouTube time, it's in a second. It's 2 days after. I can't believe I'm about to unravel this twist. I actually thought I was gonna carry them for like a week. I'm a bit nervous, not gonna lie, because I don't know. I really don't know. So get ready for, I don't know. I feel like I have tried twist out so many times, and maybe I should just accept the fact that it's not for my hair type. Who knows? Like, it always looks so crispy and nice when I unravel it, but it's like when I get to the separation part, it starts to frizz a little bit. But let's see, this could be different. It's given a little bit of definition, but I have to also admit the curl pattern at the back of my head is curlier than the curl pattern in the front, and especially the middle. So I think it's the middle that will determine. Okay, so far so good. It looks like it might be working, but why is it crunchy? Is it because I didn't put leave-in conditioner? Well, like, not crunchy. It just feels crunchy. Oh, and by the way, you know that I wrapped up my ends. When you want to unravel it, all you have to do is just pull it down. And that's it. Oh my god. Sometimes I have inside jokes by myself with myself, and I think I'm the most hilarious person ever. Not that anybody asked. Not that anybody asked. The middle. Okay, the whole back is done. Not bad. I do have to remember that I had put moisturizer and leave-in conditioner in the front, so it's less crunchy. And I do kind of like the pattern. It's less crunchy, but it's puffier. My hair definitely needed some leave-in conditioner. Oh my god, I don't even want to know what the back looks like. So I think we gotta fluff and fluff. I lost my pick comb, so I'm just gonna use this wide ass comb to pick it at the back. Cause just the roots, just to like blur the lines. So far so good, right? But the back is not so good. So maybe let's just look at the sides, but not the back. I tried my possible best. I like the way it also just shrunk my hair, so it's like a bob. But the back, I don't know if I want to show you the back. Okay, let me show you the back. Don't laugh. So the back didn't necessarily give what it was supposed to give, but it's not so bad, right? I mean, I can rock this for the day. Ooh, you shake it. All you twist out senseis, teach me. But I like it though. I like it, not gonna lie. I do like it. And if anybody looks at the back, that's their problem. As long as I'm looking at the front and the sides, that's my problem. So that's what it is. If I feel hot later in the day, I would put it up. But yeah. So what do you think? Rate me from 1 to 10. Let me know how I did in the comment section. So yeah, it looks good and I like it. Anyways, thank you so much for staying through this whole video and experiencing all my shenanigans. I appreciate it. As you can tell, I'm not really a twist out girly. Like, it's just not my thing. I've never just wanted to do it all the time. I've always wanted to try it because, you know, when you don't know how to do something and you're like, I don't really like it. But deep down, you're like, but I wanna. Okay, no, seriously, I'm contradicting myself. The honest truth is, I am trying to find ways to be better at twist outs. But if I leave my hair out like this for like a week, my ends would tangle and my ends would be too exposed. But I feel like it's a nice hairstyle to wear for like a day or two, which is what I'm going to do. And then after that, I will just braid the back down or twist it down because the front is still fresh. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for staying with me through yet another experiment. I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did. Please don't forget to actually like this video. Press that like button. Just towards the button right there. And don't forget to press the bell while you're there so you get notifications every time I post videos like this. You don't want to miss it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Love you. Have a good day. Oh wait, I forgot. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.